I really love this question because it seems like it's going to be very complicated. People get really intimidated. It's the last question. You're running out of time. Your brain is mushy from all the other reading you've done. But look, this is a good example of how dumb summaries can really help us out. Now, one thing that's important is it says based on the graph. So yes, I have the passage here, but the graph is supposed to do the work. So play dumb, right? You can always read more if you need to, but we're going to go with the dumb version and see how far that takes us. Okay, so what does the dumb version look like? So what do they say in the question? They say, based on the graph, the author's depiction of Higgs' theory in the mid-1980s is most analogous to which hypothetical situation? So look, let's go on the graph. Higgs boson, mid-1980s, puts me right here. So I'm going to draw a little X on the graph where the question tells me. Okay? What does that mean? I don't know. I'm dumb right now. Okay? I'm dumb. I have no idea what it means. I'm just doing what I'm told. Now let's go to choice A. The muon neutrino was widely disputed until being confirmed in the early 1960s. So muon neutrino right here, and early 1960s is right here. So, okay, I put an X and it looks like it's at the end of the line. Okay, sure. So what does that mean? I have no idea. Let's keep going. Few physicists in 2012 doubted the reality of the tau neutrino. So tau neutrino, 2012, we're past the line. Okay. No physicists prior to 1960 considered the possibility of the W or Z boson. So W or Z, right here. 1960, right here. It's before the line. What does it mean? I don't know. Last but not least, most physicists in 1940 believed in the existence of the electron neutrino. So 1940, here's electron neutrino. 1940, right there. Let's go back to the question for a second. The author's depiction of Higgs' theory in the mid-1980s is most analogous to which hypothetical situation, right? So analogous is a fancy word for similar. So what is the most similar to this big red X that I put in the middle of that line? How about the purple X that I put in the middle of this other line? Instead of the green X that's at the end of the line, the blue X that's past the end of the line, or the orange X that's before the lines. Right? What's most analogous? Well, I got an X in the middle of the line, I got another X in the middle of the line, that seems good enough for me. And I'm dumb, so I'm not going to ask any other questions because I probably wouldn't understand the answers. And that's the answer. And that's all you have to do for this question. Okay? You have to have confidence that this stuff is going to work. Not on all the other reading stuff where we have to really look closely at every single word and pay a lot of attention. Those we have different rules for. But something like this, where it's supposed to be based on a picture, draw pictures. Be simple. Be dumb. Use dumb summaries, right? Don't get carried away. Now, if we had multiple choices where there was an X in the middle of a line, yeah, we might need to dig a little deeper and try to understand it differently. But I can do that if that problem arises. It didn't arise here, so I'm just done. And all I did was draw X's on lines. I love this question. Be dumb. I'm giving you permission. It's going to get you points on stuff that you'd be really surprised. It's reliable. It's reliable. You can always be smart if you need to, but start by being dumb. It works, and that's good enough for us.